What's going on, guys? So a lot of you have leaks at the corners of your slide rooms on the interior, and I'm going to show you kind of how it all works and how it's supposed to work. And knowing how it's supposed to work will probably help you troubleshoot a lot of the issues that you're having with leaks in that area. So here's this is one of the more clear of how these work. This manufacturer uses these little trays, so it's easy for me to show you how the system is supposed to work. Not all manufacturers use these little trays like this. Some of them will just have like a little piece of plastic with like a big glob of sealant, hoping that that works. But so what this is your seal, right? And the slide room's going out, it pushes against that. And then where my finger is, right here on the back side, that's the slide room wall on the exterior, okay? So any water that comes down is gonna go right down, and you know, it's supposed to drip in this little space right down there. Supposed to go down that way, and that's towards the outside. This little catch tray right here is, you know, if it's really crazy raining. But if you can look and see, there could be a few issues with this, right? So the tray itself looks decent, but you see this little part right here, that's a rubber seal. So this plastic piece on a lot of manufacturers goes back and just stops back here somewhere. It doesn't make that 90-degree turn like this back towards the outside. It's actually just cut off. So it's this flatness underneath this rubber seal, and I think they're hoping this rubber seal stops the water. But it's actually just this piece of plastic is just cut right here. So just imagine that being cut and ending. So if you don't have any sealant right here, it won't keep water from going that way eventually, possibly. Especially if like the unit was leveled, you know, towards the front, water's gonna hit that and go that way. You know, any water that's raining down on this side of the slide room is gonna hit that, go down, and then come there and then go down that way until it finds its way out into the floor. Same with the other side, same with this slide room, same with that slide room. They're all have something similar. They'll be a little bit different, but they're similar to that design. So if you look at the corner of your slide room and see, okay, what is supposed to be catching the water coming down the side of the slide room, and you know, is it sufficient? If you answer those questions and the answer is yes, then you won't have leaks. If it's not sufficient, then you're gonna have leaks. So fix it, put some sealant, but don't, you know, just glob sealant all right here, because water has to have a way to drain out, right? So this is open here, water can drain out this way. It's supposed to be. Actually, it seems like this is all filled with, nope, there's a way out right there. I got my finger in. So as long as water can get out that way, we're good to go. But if it's all blocked up, that's gonna be a problem. And so we're gonna go check the one on the other side too. There was no leaks here. I mean, this looks like it might be maybe a little bit from like a heavy rain at some point. They just overfilled this, I would bet. So if you wanted to, you can add a bead of sealant along the top to make it a little bit taller. It would probably be the only adjustment I would make. But all in all, it looks like it's probably blocking most of the water. A little bit of this staining right here doesn't indicate any kind of like huge leak. That's very minimal for an RV. So there you go, guys.